Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. Would like to direct your attention today to two related documents that appear on the public docket in Idaho versus Koberger. One is an order that is dated May 4th, 2023. The second is a notice of hearing dated May 5th, 2023. Both of them deal with the amended non-dissemination or the gag order that was entered in January in this case by Judge Megan E. Marshall. The first document, the order, vacates a prior hearing that Judge Marshall had scheduled on the Gonsalves family's motion for relief from that non-dissemination or that gag order that was previously set to occur on May 25th, 2023. So it's not that that motion is denied, it's that the hearing is vacated, or for in all intents and purposes, it's now canceled for that day. The judge then, in this order, discusses the fact that there are interveners in this case, that the media coalition had gone up to the Supreme Court of Idaho and had asked for help with this non-dissemination order, feeling that it was improperly entered, that Judge Marshall overstepped her bounds, that it violated the First Amendment and prevented them from doing their job under the First Amendment pursuant to freedom of the press, one of the 5 freedoms under the United States Constitution, Bill of Rights, First Amendment. Well, we know that they were unsuccessful in their quest. The Supreme Court of Idaho stated, "We are a court of final resort, not first resort. You don't come to us first." They basically told the media coalition, you should have gone to Judge Marshall, argued your case there first. So in May of 2023, what they did is they came back down and they filed multiple documents in the case before Judge Marshall. One of them was a motion to intervene, and another was a motion to set aside that gag order, that amended non-dissemination order. So now Judge has 2 pending motions to set aside or for relief from the same gag order. And what she finds prudent to do is to schedule what's called a scheduling conference. And this is where typically everybody involved comes before the court. They have their calendars out. They discuss how much time they all feel they're going to need on these motions. And then there will likely be a hearing that will be set at some time in future. So at the scheduling conference is not the time that the media coalition or the Gonsalves family, through their respective lawyers, will argue their case. This is a time when everybody gets together to discuss scheduling of hearings on that motion. The second document that was filed the next day is that notice of hearing on the scheduling conference, and it tells us that a scheduling conference is now set to occur before Judge Marshall May 20th, 2023. It's to be held over Zoom. It's a virtual hearing, and that hearing notice provides everyone involved, everyone concerned, with details how they can sign into Zoom and participate in the hearing. That will conclude this episode of the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. I hope that you will join us again in future.